Hi. In this video, what I have before me are the tools that I'm going to use in making a small cloth pouch, zippered cloth pouch, little storage bag. I checked out a bunch of them on YouTube, how to make them, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make these little pouches, but what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to show you the tools that I'm going to use to get the job done and just give you some general information. And so yeah, so here I am with a bunch of stuff. I'll start right up here. Here's some rulers. That's definitely a sewing ruler. There's a measuring tape, cloth measuring tape or whatever. I haven't opened that yet, but I will be soon. That's just a standard small steel or metal ruler. That is the marking chalk in that little thing there, right there. Here are my paper scissors. I do not cut cloth with those. There I have a pin cushion with pins. Here I have a metallic tray with, here are the pins. Here are clips for the cloth, and also in the metallic tray are a set of forceps, tweezers, and the screwdriver that came with the Singer Heavy Duty 44S there in the background. What else can I show you? In front of that we have the zippers. I've got 8-inch zippers, another measuring device, a measuring tape, and then on there I have the rotary cutter and the cloth scissors, 2 pairs of cloth scissors / shears, whatever you want to say. And underneath those cutting devices is the unwashed, unpre-shrunk denim that I'm going to use. I also have some other cloth, which is 100% cotton right there. So those are the cloths that I have available for this job. That pretty much describes all the stuff, apart from the sewing machine, because I'm definitely going to use that sewing machine, the 44S. How much sewing experience do I have? None to very little. And what we're looking at now over here is my total sewing history, my lifetime total sewing history, which I established like a week ago. That's how much experience I have in sewing, is just the last week, and that's all I've done. And these are cloths, it's the 100% cotton. The orange thread is the upper and the white thread is the lower. And I'm learning to do some basic stitches, but here today on video number 399, I'm going to be learning in the next few videos in this series to make that cloth. So one thing I did fail to mention is I also have some paper, and that's where I'm going to measure out this 9x7 template, and then I will put the cloth down on the cutting board, and that green cutting board is an 18 by 24 inch, so it's not all that big. I would like to get a 24 inch by 36 inch. So anyway, enough about that. So this is a great place to be if you're a really new sewer like me, like you just started in the last 7 or 8 days. And if you've been sewing longer than that, then that's really great too, because you have a lot more experience. So here we are at the end of this tool and material video, this short video. The next video, I end up stitching the little bag together. So that's going to be a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of learning for me. And I look forward to doing that. So I hope that you'll join me for that. And stay safe, have loads of fun, and we'll see you soon. Adios, amigos.